Hey guys, it's your girl T. Thanks for clicking on me. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Keela's Marketing, where I teach you how to make money online with affiliate marketing in other different ways. If you're interested, hold on, in making money online, I'm making money online. I have for you right here on my pad, I have 5 different companies that will allow you to make money from your home. Like, this is work from home jobs. All right, now if you're interested in working from home at this moment, you're tired of your job, these are the companies you should be looking into. Okay, let's get right into this video. I do not want to waste none of your time because time is money. Time is money. I ain't got no watch, but time is some money. Okay, let's get right into it. These are 5 different work from home jobs in which they need help right now, and it's 0 to little experience, and it's great freaking pay. So first things first, manager customer service. Manager customer service is more customer service right here, but this is 6 days ago. So you can apply online. Job qualifications, okay, is 6 years experience professional within account management, sales, customer service, vendor. So if you were like you can be from a manager from anywhere, like freaking clothing, fast food, anywhere, management, okay? If you've been in management, it's dope, all right? Responsibilities are over here. You have your benefits. So New York City gets paid $134K, all right, per year to $182K per year, okay? However, based on offers may vary depending on job-related knowledge, skills, and experience. This is how much they are paying, all right? $182K per year, over, okay? All this information is on Google, okay? All you gotta do is follow your girl, and come to Google. Okay, now we are done with Amazon, and now we are over to Apple. Apple's looking for people, okay? Post not too recently. So this is a work from home job, at home advisor, US creative, remote work from home job, okay? This is the qualifications: passion for education, ability to instruct in a hands-off manner, letting users learn by doing, ability to teach small groups and coach multiple customers simultaneously. I cannot speak right now. Simultaneously, okay? You know, right? So I'm not gonna go over all of that because my tongue is acting stink. I don't know why it's doing that. And then we have responsibilities over here. Then you have your benefits, and then you have the more job insight over here. It's only a little bit, but this is another remote job that you can work from Apple work from home job. All right, so this is another one from Wayfair. Right from work from home day. This is a 11 days ago. Remote job, business development representative. Okay, so I don't know why my tongue is acting stink today. But yes, guys, you understand this one is kind of blocky. So I'm going to allow you to come over and read this, all right? This is the job description, everything that you need to succeed when applying for this job. And guys, don't be afraid to apply for these jobs if you don't have all the qualifications, because they encourage you to apply to these jobs. They're looking to fulfill these jobs, okay? They're not just going to post a job and not want you to come join. That's stupid. And I add another job opportunity. So this is Appen work from home remote job opportunities. This was posted 4 days ago. Work from home part-time. We have the qualifications over here on the left hand side. We have the benefits over here on the right hand side, and then we have the full description at the bottom. Okay, guys, if you're looking to work from home, you can type in all of these companies that are looking for people to work from home. And if you're not looking to work from home, you want to actually start a business in which you are your own boss, make sure you check out my description, in which I'm going to show you how you can start affiliate marketing. This is how I'm transitioning to entrepreneurship, okay, making money online daily. Making money online, showing you 3 different ways. The course, the free training, is going to show you 3 different ways and how to make money online. I also have a free affiliates marketing beginner's guide for you, so make sure you check that out. Also, you can schedule a call with me, okay? Don't be shy. Schedule a call with me so I can help skyrocket your business, affiliate marketing business to success, okay? We're about to head over to the last work from home job opportunity today in this video, so let's get into it. So we have Anthem's work from home job, customer care representative remote, okay? So this was posted 2 days ago, all right? So if you really want a job, make sure you hop on this. They really need people. They just posted this. So like the other videos and the other jobs, I didn't mean to say other videos, I meant to say other job opportunities. They have the qualifications over here on the left, and then we have the responsibilities over here on the right. Then we have the benefits. You are full-time. Your talent is needed full-time. Okay, so this is a full-time opportunity. We have more of the job description right here when you press this drop down button. Okay, so you get more visibility on what you're going to be getting yourself into. You got flexible hours and quick learning, willing to adapt to change in customers and business needs. So this is everything, the qualifications over here, responsibilities and benefits, guys. So if you're interested in working from home, I have given you 5 different companies. These are legit companies. If you don't believe me, check your Google. Okay, so if you're interested in making money online, working from home, check out these guys right here. All right, and if you're interested in being your own boss, like I already said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel in the beginning. Like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, and make sure you check out my free training in affiliate marketing, okay? I will see you in my next video.